Right, so tent, sleeping bag, sleeping stuff's in this roll top, and then a lot of stuff's in here. I think I should put some of the stuff in there, and some of the stuff in there. Maybe. Got it. Oh, right, that's mission's done. Now I guess I better carry on with my second mission, or the first mission. Right, Land's End. It's now 3 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock, coming up to. So I need to go shopping, get some food, find a campsite for tonight. Let's see if we can run this on a budget. Keep it cheapish. So got my cooking stuff with me today. So yeah, get some food and then find a campsite for tonight. 3 o'clock now. So by the time I do shopping, 4, 5 o'clock, head to a campsite. Yeah, that's good. Excellent. On we go.
Cheddar Gorge, it's quite nice, but it's quite short. As in, I don't think it's very long, the road. The gorge isn't very big itself. It's impressive to see, and it doesn't come out on camera, so it's one of the places you probably should have a look. But whether to make the entire journey just for this is a different thing. I did actually see the, what's it called? Stonehenge on the way here. And yeah, no, I don't fancy queuing up to go see a bunch of stones in a field. Although you can get a nice view from the road. The 303, I think it is, the A303 I was on. And yeah, if you go in the A303, you can see a nice scene of it there. Ah, I got stung in the hand by a stinging nettle where the spring was. Should have remembered that. That is a lot higher than it comes out on camera. Can't believe we made us do that, madman.
And I actually had to ask for directions to find this place because Google Maps takes you the wrong place. So yeah, what we do with technology, you follow it blindly and then it goes, there's no campsite here. I really like my Trangia. Not really many moving parts. No gas. It's petrol or that petrol thing or whatever. So you know it's easier to cook with. Where's my when I cook, I've got this that is not soap. My soap is almost identical colour though. This is oil, cooking oil. So I can cook. There's enough for maybe 3 cooks with this, not a lot, but I don't want to have it a lot on it. I always keep it in a separate bag because it has leaked before and I want to keep it sealed as possible.
Oh, that's a good campsite this is. I remember this one. Free showers, hot showers as well. Very good wash facilities. Very good shower facilities. Just make a circle, make sure I haven't left anything. Keys in my pocket, yep. Alright? That way. What screw you up there? Ah. Is that broken? You alright?
Yeah, not bad.
Finding meat.
Maybe.
Your Chinese money pit.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, let's do I need a shot of
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You don't need a drone.
I've been riding with Epic Adam all day today. Oops. He's been showing me the sights. As you can see, we're at a nice cliff-side road, a view of a beach.
Nice stopping location.
Yeah, exactly. There we go. Nice sea view.
Oh, a few bikers coming.
Noisy, noisy, noisy.
Hippodrones. And we've got Phil 480 as well.
Oh, we've got Phil 480 sticker as well.
Phil 480.
Where's your sticker on here, Adam?
It's disappeared. I think that guy might have taken it off, not sure.
Okay, well, we're not going to show his name because I don't want you to go, don't want any free advertising for him.
tent up. Nice and quick.
Tent's up. It's raining. Staying here for a bit.
Well, the weather had turned on me, so I had to stay inside the tent and watch a movie.
Wonderful morning in sunny England.
This thing, this giant peacock in a tree. I've never seen a peacock in a tree, but there you go, peacock in a tree. That thing woke me up at 6 o'clock in the morning with its racket.
There's the sign, and there's a big coach group waiting to go take all their pictures in front of it, and they charge. I don't know how much. Well, that just says it all. Don't worry, gift shop here.
So after I'd been to Land's End, I went to the Lizard, and then from there I went to Dartmoor National Park. Lots of horses and lots of wildlife.
Portlandville Lighthouse. Right. Enough sitting around in the sun. Supposed to go to Hayling Island now.
Maybe they're just following him to make sure he doesn't break.
I really hate travelling on a bank holiday weekend. Too many kids, too many families, too much traffic. Campsites become party places. Yeah. Oh well, it's the only night that I've actually had. Morning. Yep, hair's ready. Off we go.
Been taking a few sneaky selfies, just putting them on Twitter just to annoy people, maybe thinking that they're here when they're not, or they're there when they're not. Right, off to Lumi's. I think it's time for breakfast.